Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you the chocolate cosmos, or also known as Cosmos atrosanguineus. This is a very interesting plant. The flowers just started to open, so you can see these yellow pollen. So it opened just this morning, and it appears to be quite a smaller plant, not very big for the moment. And it's going to flower for a very long time. You can see the buds are coming out everywhere. It's close relative of the dahlia. It has a tuberous root system like dahlia, and it gets its name because the flower smells very faintly like chocolate. So you really have to put your nose into the flower to actually smell it. And the other one is a close relative. The pink one is called Cosmos peucedanus flamingo, and it also has a tuberous root system like dahlia, and both of them have to be overwintered inside. So that would be all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.